Welcome back to the channel, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the stunning coastal city of Split, Croatia. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking scenery, Split is a must-visit destination for any traveler. In this video, we'll explore the 9 best things to do in this beautiful city, from ancient Roman ruins to picturesque beaches. So grab your bags and let's uncover the hidden gems and top attractions that make Split a true Croatian treasure. Number 9. Archeological Museum. The Archeological Museum in Split, established in 1820, is Croatia's oldest museum. It houses 150,000 artifacts spanning the prehistoric, Roman, Greek, early Christian, and medieval periods. Located north of the town centre, the museum also has branches in Solin and on the island of Vis. Initially, its purpose was to preserve the monuments of the ancient palace of Salona and Diocletian, ensuring their protection. The stone-walled lapidarium contrasts with the serene, leafy courtyard. The 2-story building includes a museum library and a grand exhibition hall for smaller artifacts displayed in glass cases. The museum is closed on Sundays. Number 8. Ivan Mestrovich Gallery. Artist and sculptor Ivan Mestrovich purchased a plot of land on Marjan Hill in the 1920s and transformed it into a grand villa that served as his home, studio, and exhibition space. In 1952, he donated the building and 132 pieces of his art to the state, establishing an art gallery. This gallery has a unique history, having been both a home and a site of damage during the Croatian War of Independence. It reopened in 1998 with a new permanent collection featuring impressive and intimate depictions of Mestrovich's close family members. The remarkable art museum is surrounded by a Mediterranean garden that houses bronze sculptures and offers breathtaking views of the sea and central Dalmatian islands. Number 7. Clis Fortress. For a glimpse into the past and a chance to admire Game of Thrones marine, a visit to Clis Fortress is highly recommended. Perched above the village of the same name, the fortress is a formidable mountain barrier with 3 long rectangular stone walls. Its irregular structure conforms to the natural landscape, making it a dominant feature of the skyline. Historically, it served as a royal castle and the residence of many Croatian kings. During the Ottoman Wars in Europe, it evolved into a massive and effective defense system, enduring 2,000 years of conquests. From the fortress, you can enjoy panoramic views of Split cityscape, its harbour, and the surrounding countryside. The ticket price also includes access to 2 other significant sites, the Interpretation Centre and the Ethno-Agro Park in Split. Number 6. Trip to Trogir. West of Split lies the enchanting medieval town of Trogir. Established in the 3rd century BC, Trogir is connected by bridges to both the mainland and the verdant Chiovo Island. The town boasts Renaissance facades, medieval streets, and elegant churches and palaces, earning it a designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A highlight is St. Lawrence's Cathedral, a Venetian religious site with 3 naves. The cathedral showcases 3 distinct architectural styles and took 4 centuries to complete. During summer, visitors flock to Medina Beach, a seaside promenade featuring bars, cafes, and yachts. A frequent city bus from Split's main bus terminal provides easy access. With its picturesque piazzas adorned with beautiful flowers and plants, Trogir is a destination not to be missed. Number 5. Diocletian's Palace. The expansive Diocletian Palace was constructed by Diocletian, the only Roman emperor to voluntarily abdicate the throne. Situated on the Bay of Aspalathos near his birthplace, Diocletian lived in the palace after stepping down on May 1st, 305 AD. This palace became the heart of what is now the modern city of Split, and stands as the world's most complete Roman palace, making it a significant part of Mediterranean heritage. Emperor Diocletian sought the finest materials for his retirement residence, using marble from Greece and Italy, along with sphinxes and columns from Egypt. Water was supplied to the palace from the Jadro River via a Roman aqueduct, remnants of which can still be seen, restored in the 19th century. Number 4. Kirka Waterfalls Tour. This tour transports you to a captivating water world brimming with natural beauty. Enjoy a leisurely stroll, admire the scenery, and swim in the expansive area filled with fresh, crystal-clear lakes and stunning waterfalls. The Split to Kirka National Park Tour offers an opportunity to explore the breathtaking Kirka waterfalls and the walking trails of this remarkable park. Discover the renowned Skradinsky Book area, capture amazing photos, and create unforgettable memories. The national park spans a vast, largely untouched area of exceptional natural value, featuring preserved or minimally altered ecosystems. Its primary purposes are to serve science, culture, education, and recreation, with tourism activities also available for visitors. Number 3. Backvice Beach, a picturesque sandy bay, is located near the port and just a 15-minute walk east of Diocletian's palace. Stretching along the sea, its waters are transparent and turquoise. Despite attracting large crowds during the summer, this beautiful part of the Adriatic Sea is well worth a visit. Visitors can challenge friends or family to a game of pick-a-gin, where the goal is to keep a small ball from touching the water, or enjoy a cold beer at a beach bar while basking in the summer sun. Recently awarded Blue Flag status for its cleanliness and excellent facilities, Backvice Beach is a testament to the city's vibrant tourism. Number 2. Fruit Square. Trogir Square, once known for its bustling fruit market, has since transformed, though the name persists unofficially. While fruit is no longer sold, the square now features several shops and attractions, including the Venetian Castello and Tower, built in 1435 to defend the city against local uprisings and Turkish raids. On the northern side of the square stands the Milesi Palace, a prime example of Baroque architecture in Dalmatia. In front of the palace is a statue of the 15th century poet Marko Marulic, sculpted by Ivan Mestrovich. Number 1. Marjan Hill. Marjan Hill is located in a forest park at the western end of the Split Peninsula. Comparable in size to New York City's Central Park, Marjan Hill is blanketed with Mediterranean pine trees and features wide paved paths ideal for strolling or biking. Climbing to the top of Marjan Hill offers panoramic views of Split and the Adriatic Sea. Along the way, visitors can find a small 13th century church dedicated to St. Nicholas, the patron saint of fishermen. Since the 3rd century, Marjan Hill has been a cherished retreat for the residents of Split.